Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sukhwin. You're watching my channel The Sing. Today's video, as you have gathered from the thumbnail, it is regarding Poco X3. It is one of the good mid-range phone which is actually having a top specification in mid-range in 2020, and I'll be giving you the specs regarding this phone in this video, and also regarding the MIUI 12 version, a glimpse of that which is present inside this phone, and also the contents inside the box. So without further ado, let's start the video. And just in case if you're coming on my channel for the first time, just press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I'll upload the next video. So let's start the video. As you can see, this is a yellow black accent box which we get with Poco X3. I've taken this phone in Big Billion. The costing tentative about this phone is around 23,000, and in Big Billion I've got a discount of around 3,000 rupees, which is costing me finally to around 20,000, which is 19,999. And you get a very nice box which is black and yellow color box. So let's unbox this phone. It is a 8GB 128GB variant. So let's unbox it. So guys, as you can see, these are the contents of the box, and you get the main device. You get a 33 watt fast charging brick. It's a 33 watt brick which is having around orange accents inside, and you get a USB type A to type C cable which is also having a very nice orange accent. And you get a clear case which is a soft TPU case which is of a really good quality. And you get this sleeve. Inside this sleeve there were the SIM ejector tool and the documentation, which is actually the documentation and the warranty guide. So these are the contents inside the box. Let's unwrap the phone now. This is how the model of the phone looks. It is actually a really great in size, and the screen is really big. There is a fingerprint scanner over here, and a volume rocker, and there is a IR blaster, a secondary noise cancellation mic, and there is a hole for a stereo speaker over here at the top near the head of the phone. There are 4 cameras over here. This is the camera area. It is actually looking really nice. They have made the designing of this camera really nice, and there is a Poco brand which is mentioned in big letters over here, and there is a strip of design given on the back side of the phone. And on the bottom there is a speaker grill, and there is a USB type C port and a headphone jack. And this phone is actually having stereo speakers, so one is at the bottom and one is at the top, as I showed you over here. There is a dedicated hole. This is for the stereo speaker. So it's a really good, and this color is actually called as shadow gray. I have opted for this color, shadow gray, because I have something for the black color. And so let's move ahead. Now this phone has a hybrid SIM card slot, and you can insert a 1 micro SIM and 1 memory card, or otherwise you can have 1 SIM and 2 SIMs, like 2 micro SIMs or 1 micro SIM and a hybrid slot for the memory card. So this is the tray which comes with the phone. This phone is having a dedicated 64 megapixel primary camera and a 13 megapixel ultra wide camera, along with a 2 megapixel macro camera and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. And the 5th hole which is looking as a camera is actually a flash. So this is regarding its camera array. Guys, if you're interested to know the SAR value of the head and the body of Poco X3, I'll just show it to you. It's well within the range. As you can check, for the head it is around 0.747 and for the body is around 0.615, so it's well within the range. Hey guys, so after booting, this is how the operating system looks. The screen is really smooth and I can feel the difference of 120 Hz, and the touch response for this screen is around 240 Hz. So you can actually feel the difference when you're using this phone. And this is how the Mi notification shade looks like. And from here, if you swipe, there is a notification area. This is how the settings look inside, and there are many options, like there is a digital well-being option, plus there is a dedicated section for the services and feedback. If you're having any issues, you can just go inside this, type your question and get the feedback from the Mi team itself. So this was the operating system moreover it, and there are many options, like there is a dedicated theming center which is been given in the phone, and this is actually inbuilt in the phone. If you go in this, you can actually have a dedicated themes option. There is a dedicated wallpaper changing option, ringtones, fonts. You can change everything. The interface of the phone can be redefined by the user completely, how he wants according to his wishes and desires. He can just change everything, every aspect of the phone. So that is a really good customization feature which I liked, and it comes on MIUI 12. The phone comes on MIUI 12, and that's more over it. Also, you get dedicated options for in the display. There is a dedicated option for changing the system fonts, text sizes, everything is there. And let me show you the options, like what MIUI version you are getting inside the phone. So to check that, you will have to go inside this section about phone. You are getting a MIUI 12.0.2, the latest update of MIUI 12. This is really interesting. The interface of MIUI 12 is really interesting, like this graphics which you get, like how much space you have viewed. It is really intuitive, and the graphics are really nice in MIUI 12. So that's more over it. This was the internals of the phone. And if you want to check the camera app, the camera app is also really nice, that you are having each and every option, like you are having a pro mode for videos as well as photographs. And if you go in photos, there is a plain photo mode, there is a portrait mode, and when you go in more options, there are n number of options, like there is a night mode, there is a 64 megapixel mode. You can click the photos in the total resolution of 64 megapixel. There is a short video mode which clicks 30 seconds videos. There is a panorama mode, and there is also a documentation mode, like it scans the document. There is a vlogging mode, there is a slow motion mode, the slow motion, and there is a time lapse also. So there are a number of options, like long exposure. This is for the night sky capturing, and this is a really interesting mode. There is a clone mode inside the phone, and where exactly you can clone yourself after clicking the photo. So this is a really exciting thing which I have not tried as of yet, but I will try it in the detailed full review of the phone. So there are many options, and the camera app is really nice. In the case if you're having going to the selfie camera, there are options, like there is a video mode, and the highest resolution in the video mode is, I'll just show it to you. You can have a capturing of video of 720p of 30 frames per second and 1080p at 30 frames per second. So this is the video mode in case of front camera. And there is a one more interesting option in case of videos. There is a movie frame option. So when you enable this, the aspect ratio crops, that there is a movie band present, the black band, which gives a really cinematic view to the video when you're trying to shoot the video, and it gives a cinematic view to the video. So this is an interesting mode which has been added in MIUI by Poco. And in case of back camera, if you go to the back camera, and there are video modes. So if you go to the settings, you can actually shoot 720p 30 fps, 1080p which is the HD video at 30 fps, and with HD video at 60 fps, and 4K video at 30 fps. So these are the options for video shooting with the back camera. So guys, this was it. This was the unboxing of Poco X3, and I hope you liked the video. And you know the regular drill: if you like the video, thumbs would be appreciated. If you love the video, subs would be appreciated. Please leave a comment below, like how did you like the video, and did you like the device, and what all things you liked in the device. And stay tuned onto the channel for my upcoming videos. Press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload my next video. Till the next time, take care, have a nice day, bye bye.